Giles Montessori and School. Unit 1. English Grade 5. Difficult words from read at your own workbook. Quest, कोशिश, a search or pursuit. A mystery, पहेली, something unknown. Duane, एक लड़के का नाम, a boy's name. Thailand, Thailand, एक मुल्क, a country in Asia. Harbor, बंदरगाह, a place for ships. Worried, परेशान होना, feeling anxious. Calm sea, पसियों समुंदर, a peaceful ocean. Listened, सुना, heard carefully. Noise, शोर, loud or unpleasant sound. Engine, engine, a machine that powers movement. Everything, सब कुछ, all things. All right, बहुत अच्छे, okay or fine. Quietly, बहुत खामोशी से, without noise. Bottom, गहराई, the lowest part. Mending, जोड़ना, repairing something. Learned, सीखना, gained knowledge. Wrong, गलत होना, not correct. सीरचा, Thailand में एक जगह, a place in Thailand. Frightened, डर जाना, feeling scared. Reason, वजह, the cause of something. Sailed, पानी में चलना, travel on water. Rough sea, मुश्किल समुंदर, turbulent ocean. Huge, बहुत बड़ा, very large. Surprised, हैरान होना, feeling amazed. Replied, जवाब देना, answered back. Perhaps, शायद के, maybe or possibly. Worrying, घबरा हुआ, feeling uneasy. Expensive, महंगा, costly. Fortune teller, नजूमी, predictor. Be careful, मोहतात रहो, stay cautious. Tomorrow, कल, next day. Lent, झुका हुआ, bent. Shook, हिलाया, moved. Huge creatures, बड़े जानवर, large animals. Dangerous, खतरनाक, risky. Knife, चाकू, blade.